As we work through this next phase of our pandemic response, I'm sure that many of us are thinking back and reflecting on the last 2 years, the ups and downs, the successes, the less successful, and everything in between. I know that I speak for many when I say that these last 2 years through this pandemic have been some of the most difficult and the most trying times that any of us have seen in our careers. Despite this, you have all navigated these very tumultuous times with selflessness, with flexibility, and with optimism, while continuing to provide the very best care for those vulnerable patients for whom we provide care every day. The caring, the compassion, and the dedication that you have demonstrated throughout this pandemic and all over this province has given comfort, care, guidance, and strength to so many Albertans and their families who've been going through what are surely some of the most stressful times in their lives. When Albertans come to an AHS facility, they know that they are in good hands and that you are there for them. Each and every day, our staff and our physicians continue to respond to the challenge of this pandemic with a level of commitment and teamwork that continues to be truly inspiring. You go above and beyond the call of duty to keep our patients safe. There are countless stories of unwavering dedication, of hard work, and of personal sacrifices that you have made to keep Albertans safe and healthy. Whether it's providing critical services or by adhering to measures such as wearing your personal protective equipment properly, or completing the daily fit for work screening protocol, and staying home when you're sick. In addition to these selfless acts of dedication, there are other smaller moments that happen that make AHS the outstanding organization that it is. When I think about our people and our teams, the first thing that comes to my mind is compassion. Compassion is not just a core value of ours in AHS, but really it's the heart of everything that you do. And it is the focus of the care and the services that you provide. It's the porter who goes the extra mile to comfort a family or one another. It's my fellow physician who holds a patient's hand during a really tough day. It's the volunteers who show up just to help make the lives of our patients and our families and our staff just a little bit better. To each and every one of you, I say thank you. You are what make AHS truly outstanding. Throughout this pandemic, families and caregivers have written messages of thanks. These messages are posted on the AHS Sharing the Love webpage. And if you ever need just a little something to brighten your day, I recommend having a look at that page on our website. Here are just some of the hundreds of messages that have been sent to us from grateful Albertans. Thank you, healthcare workers, for the long hours, for long days and traumatic situations, for caring for others who are alone, scared, and sick, for being at a hospital or a clinic instead of with your family. You are truly appreciated. This next one came from one of our employees who left it for a physician who was working overnight. It read, "Hi, Doc. I changed your bed linens and gave you 2 layers of bed sheets because you deserve a good rest. Thank you for fighting the good fight and for being on the front lines for the rest of us." What an incredible simple, and thoughtful way to make someone's day just a little bit brighter. Every day, what you do matters. Whether you're on the front lines, whether you're changing bed linens, whether you're making a meal for someone, whether you're taking minutes at a meeting, whether you're repairing broken equipment. In ways both big and small, what you do is making a difference. Thank you for believing that Albertans and one another deserve nothing but the best. Thank you for your work, your dedication, and for putting others first. I am proud to work with such an outstanding group of professionals that live our AHS values every single day. You have proven time and again how incredibly nimble you are, and that in every circumstance you show up as very capable and competent professionals, no matter what your role. As we work through these next few weeks, I know that whatever comes our way, we will get through it together. Thank you for all that you do. Thank you for patience, for families, and for each other.
Together, we do amazing things every day.